Measuring your sit bones is useless if you ignore your pelvic rotation. Here is why a wider saddle can actually increase soft tissue pressure, and how to fix it.
Pressure mapping data from 2025 reveals a critical failure mode. Nearly 70% of cyclists place peak load on the perineum, not the ischial tuberosities. This restricts capillary blood flow, causing numbness within just 20 minutes of steady-state riding.
The solution is geometry, not padding. Center channel cutouts, now standard on 2026 performance models like the Specialized Power or Physic Argo, mechanically decouple soft tissue from the saddle structure. Research shows this design reduces perineal pressure by 60 to 80%.
However, buying based on sit bone width alone is a mistake. The pelvis is V-shaped. As you rotate forward into an aero position, your effective contact points narrow. The same rider needs a different saddle width for an upright gravel setup versus an aggressive road position.
We calculate this using the torso angle offset. An aggressive 45-degree back angle often requires a saddle 10 to 15 millimeters narrower than your static measurement to prevent thigh chafing and lock the sit bones in place. For 2026, material science has shifted from EVA foam to 3D printed liquid polymer lattices like Specialized's Mirror or Physics Adaptive Technology. These variable density structures optimize damping without the energy-sapping rebound of traditional foam. Before spending money, tilt your current saddle nose down by 2 degrees to assist pelvic rotation. If upgrading, the $100 Specialized Power Comp remains the efficiency value king. For maximum compliance, the 3D printed Physic Argo Vento R1 is the premium benchmark.
Comfort is physics, not magic. Measure dynamic width, not just static.